Hello traders, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to trade over 5-minute time frame with our strategy. So let's get started. This is Euro US dollar chart, one of my favorite pair, and I'm using 1-minute candlestick chart to analyze the market. So first of all, as you can see, the trend is downtrend. The major trend is downtrend as well as the minor trend is downtrend, and we can say that this is the retracement phase here. And so first, as you can see, the trend is downtrend, so we will going to trade in the direction of the trend as much as possible. And on this scale, if we look on this chart only, you will see that market is forming. This is the low, this is the high, this is the higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and this is the higher low. So market is moving in a structure that suggests that market wants to move in the upward direction, which we can say is the minor trend. Now the minor trend is uptrend, major trend is downtrend, and we all know that market will follow its major trend after finishing the minor trend. So we are going to wait for this uptrend, this minor trend to finish, and once we have the price action and a breakout, we are going to trade in the direction of the major trend, which is downtrend. So I have drawn this trend line. This is a trend support level. You can see it's a confirmed trend line. We have to wait for the market to break this level with some price action and good candlestick confirmation, then we can place a trade. So this is the setup. We are going to trade in the major direction. The trend is downtrend right now. This is a retracement phase, or we can say this is the minor trend which is going to finish in the next 10 or 20 minutes maybe. So we have to wait. So it is going to take some time. I'm going to fast forward this video, and as soon as I take the trade, I will explain you everything in detail so that you can have the same knowledge. So let's wait. And we got the breakout very soon. As you can see, this is the breakout, and the reason why I place this trade is simple. This is the support trend line. It's been broken, and if you look here, like first analyze this chart. This is the minor trend, and you can see this is the low and this is the high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and this was the higher low. But after that, if you look carefully here only, you will see that this is the high, this is the low, and this is the lower high. And right now market has created the lower low, which means on this scale the price action suggests that market needs to go down, which is also the major trend direction. And this candle is a good confirmation that yes, market wants to go down. And if we draw a trend line here, you will see it only suggests one thing, that market should be going down, because the minor trend is also changing to the downtrend, and that's why I place the trade. Now let's wait for the result, and after the result I'll try to explain you everything again in detail so that you can have the same experience. So let's wait. So we have won that trade by very small margin. It was a very close call. So let me explain you the trade first. So first of all, the main thing which I notice here, that the trend is downtrend, which means that market will follow its trend, which is downtrend here. The second thing which I noticed, that market here is moving in the upward direction, which we can say this is the retracement phase. And I worked on the price action and found out that this was the low, this is the high, this is the higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high. And after that it formed this higher low and failed to create the next higher high, and broke in the direction of the major trend, which is downtrend. Now this is a major trend which is downtrend. Now I hope that you have understand the price action here. This is the high, this is the low, this is the lower high, and this is the lower low. So that is why this is a major major downtrend here. And about this, I have explained that this is the minor uptrend, and after creating this higher low, market failed to create higher high but created here the lower high. Because if we take this as a high, this as a low, this is a lower high and this is the lower low. So the price action here is suggesting that now market will fall and will continue its downtrend. And we also got confirmation here. This is the breakout candle that was very strong, and that's why I placed the trade, because the trend was in our favor. The price action also suggests that market should be falling in the downward direction. As we are trading over smaller time frame, these smaller scales, these smaller price action are very important to us, and you have to focus on that. We won by very small margin, but it was a winning trade, and market did fall after breaking this level. Right now market is again consolidated, because you can see the price action here still suggests that market should be going downward, because this is the high, this is the low, this is the lower high and lower low, lower high and lower low. And you can see here market created two levels here. See, after creating this lower high, market created lower low, and this is the lower high again. This was the previous and it has changed here, so it means that market is still pushing. It was pushing in the downward direction. You can see, let me remove this so that you can understand. So you can see it was still a downtrend move, but after that market was not able to form the lower low again, because it reverses from the same level. So we can say now that market is in a range. This is the range, and once there is a breakout in the downward direction, market will going to fall further in the lower direction. I hope that this is not complex for you, because this is the simplest thing that I can explain about this price action. These are the swings that everybody knows, I guess, and if you have doubt about it, I can create a video about the same, explaining you these swings levels, so that you can easily predict which way the market can go and can understand the trend of the market at that time. So I hope that you have learned something out of this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.